Tired. All the time. Even after a full night's sleep, coffee, and rest, you still feel drained? It's not just life catching up with you. In many cases, fatigue has hidden, fixable causes that no one talks about. Let's decode 8 surprising reasons why your energy is low, and what might help bring it back. Some of these will make you say, wait, that's me. 1. Low vitamin D levels. Vitamin D is often called a vitamin, but it acts more like a hormone. It supports immune balance, mood regulation, and energy metabolism. Low levels are extremely common, especially in people who work indoors or live in low sunlight regions. It might be one of the most underestimated factors in chronic fatigue. 2. Liver overload. Sluggish after meals? Foggy brain? Your liver might be struggling with detoxification. A poor diet, medications, or exposure to toxins can overload this vital organ. Even short periods of clean eating may help the liver function more efficiently, which can boost energy indirectly. 3. Magnesium deficiency. Magnesium supports over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body, including those responsible for muscle relaxation, stress response, and deep sleep. Stress, poor diet, or certain medications can deplete your stores. Fatigue, muscle cramps, and restlessness are common signs that your body may be running low. 4. Iron or ferritin deficiency. Even without full-blown anemia, low iron or ferritin can leave you weak, pale, and short of breath. Iron plays a key role in oxygen transport. This is especially relevant for menstruating women, athletes, or those with restricted diets. 5. Low coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 helps power your mitochondria, the engines inside your cells. With age or certain medications like statins, natural coenzyme Q10 production may decline. Lower energy on a cellular level often translates to fatigue on a daily level. 6. Poor circulation and oxygen delivery. Cold hands and feet, easily winded by small tasks. Poor blood flow can reduce oxygen to muscles and organs, making you feel more tired even if you're healthy. It's one of the most overlooked causes of chronic fatigue. 7. Sleep quality issues. You might sleep for 8 hours, but wake up just as tired. Why? Because deep, restorative sleep is what truly recharges your body. Light pollution, blue screens, and irregular bedtime habits all reduce sleep quality, and it adds up fast. 8. Mental burnout. Even if your labs look perfect, your brain might be overwhelmed. Constant multitasking, stress, and emotional strain can exhaust your mental reserves. Without proper mental rest and stimulation balance, fatigue creeps in silently. Final thought. Fatigue isn't just about sleep. It's your body's way of saying something needs to change. And the good news? When you understand the source, energy becomes easier to recover. Comment below. Which of these 8 signs felt familiar to you?